Well, howdy everybody. Welcome to the library. I am looking forward to doing a little tinkering in Space Engineers. We have several vehicles. We've got a target 7,700 kilometers away. I'd like to make it to that with something. The vehicles I've made are a little bit underpowered, and I think they're a bit slow to go that kind of distance. So I'm thinking about building another vehicle, if you can believe it. But I think I want to build it a little bit off-site. All my vehicles are getting too close together. So I'm going to need resources because I'm thinking about building another platform in which to create these vehicles. And it takes a little bit of work. I'm not going to lie. So stay with me for this journey. I may take some risks. I tell you, if I find uranium accidentally, that would be a game changer. Not only could I make weapons, of course, but I could make a power supply that could get me across this planet. Yeah, we'll see. Okay, well, let's get started here. What do I have to do here? I like my little chair. Oops, no, didn't want to do that. Okay, there we go. I like my chair. It gives me a good perspective. I still want to build one of those fancier chairs, like a bench, like a lounge bench. But, you know, this won't be too bad. Why does it always do that? Okay. I think I want one of these on me. Oh, yeah, I forgot. I need to fill my chair inventory. The Cupid dolls, med kits, and all the crap I don't need. There we go. I got a lot of money. I'd like to find a spaceport here, but that doesn't seem to be in the cards. Okay. Oh, I want to test out the new system here. So let's say, okay, I've got the basic assembler, got the basic refinery. I want to, well, let's just show the things that are on this grid. That's what that button does. Basic refinery, connector. It considers anything attached to the grid. Okay. The O2 generator, cool. Industrial refinery, okay. I don't have the resources in there. Can I pull them out of where the resources are? There's a basic assembler. So let's try. Let's take that out of the basic assembler. I just want to see if I can move it between the different things. Industrial assembler. It looks like I can. And that's something I couldn't do before. Okay, how about the refinery? Let's take that and throw it here. Ah, I can do it. Okay, now everything's flexible. This is good. This is very good. You'd think I'd learn from this lesson to make all my grids connected, but I won't. Let's see, so I've got those. It seems to me like I just want to look over here again. Look at this massive block of manufacturing I've got assembled here. And that connector block, putting them all together. I just want to jump up here. I'm going to walk on the deck of this thing. Oh, I can just walk across, can't I? There's something... I thought there was like a deck or something I could walk in there. Okay. You can play with all my buttons and gizmos. If only it had kind of like a Star Trek computer with Majel Barrett's voice. Computer working. This is cool. And of course this goes to nowhere but the battery. You know. I have to go downstairs again. Can I just jump? Not easily. Okay. Jump down here. I really want to make this into a break room sort of situation. Enclose the whole thing. Make it all nice. But I need a lot more resources for that. A lot. Just a tremendous amount. That's cool. That's really cool, man. Industrial assembler. I could pick out of here now if I wanted to. Okay, so problem is that's not powerful enough or stable enough to go bouncing across the great distances I have to go. I did want to fix this though. Hold on. I want materials to go through whatever. I want everything to just go through without being hindered. Because when I connect the connector, I want to be able to transfer stuff. And it looks like that's not going to go easy. Raw materials may go through. I want to look at this block again. Okay, let's go around here. Huh. It looks like I could do... Okay, I know how to fix this now. What's in here? Is there anything in there? Ah, there is. Take out the iron here. Oh. Okay, well I gotta go transfer that. Hold on a sec. Hopefully that'll get to where it's going. Yeah, so I've just got to rotate these to get all the stuff to... Okay. Is there anything in there? I think... Oh. Good. Okay. Large container 7. Okay, this doesn't have anything. That's container 6. And that's container 4. I should probably double check that. Okay. Connector, nope. Right. Right. All that stuff. Okay. I didn't clean out the glove compartment. Okay, let me check. Is it all going to, it's going to the basic assembler. The basic refinery. No, I don't want it in the basic refinery. I want it all in the industrial assembler. Let's see if I can make that happen. Can I do it? Not quite, but close to. Yes, we need all this stuff here. Because we're going to make a lot of stuff. Might as well have it in the industrial assembler. Doesn't have to be that way, but will that fit there? I don't think it will. No, not the whole thing, yeah. It's alright. I'm not concerned. That is a lot of iron. Okay. Now, I also want that to be in this cargo container that I'm facing, but it's not going to be apparently. Okay, let's take our gravel and place it. You know, I figure the days and the nights are probably equal, but boy, it sure seems like there's a lot more night than day in this game. Okay, I'm gonna finish emptying out the cargo, and it's not gonna do it by that because I don't have it. There we go. Okay. That's a lot of stone. And that's good, because we wanted stone to be there. Okay, where should we put this? Yeah, I could, you know, put it in other containers, but I want it here. Iron, silver. Well, that'd be a useful device to have for, you know, making Christmas gifts. Okay. Yeah, so my thinking is the small opening is for top and bottom. So all the big openings I can have available. Okay. I'd really like them to be available for this. But I don't have a convenient way of doing that. I'm thinking, okay, so there's the cockpit. Right, I'd have to drop this down. And in doing so, it would end up scraping the ground, which, of course, we've discovered in this game means everything that gets even slightly damaged is explosive. So, alright. Well, let's go grab the... Is this one of them? Is this conveyors or actual cargo things? Cargo things, okay. No, I don't want it yellow. Or, I mean, I don't want it pink. There's only so much pink I could stand. Okay, here. Okay, if I rotate it this way, I should have... No. That isn't as wholesome as I had hoped. Okay, can I think I can. Well, those are two. What? No. No. Why did you do that? No. I need large. There we go. Okay, there's two that are adjacent to one another. Okay, let me think about this for a moment. Okay, so as long as I have that small bit facing outward, I'm okay. Let me think about this for a moment. Okay. I guess I'll do it this way. I don't know, did I do it this way before? Have I just forgotten? It's entirely possible. Okay. Okay, 3 sides. And we're putting this here. I need interior plate. Why do I never have the resources on me when I need them? Okay, let's grab some interior plate. There we go. Why did it change on me? Large cargo container, yes. Alright. Okay. Oh, is that the ridiculously large one? No, come on. Large cargo container, yes. Let's make sure that's the orientation we want. Where is it that turns that way? No, I don't want it to turn that way. Okay. Okay, come on. Okay, now let's see, can I turn it that way? Yes. Okay, so 3 sides, large opening. That's what we want. Okay. Now, what else do we need? Construction comp is going to be my limiting factor, I think. Okay. Let's throw a bunch of construction comp into production. Motors too. I don't know. Now, I should be able to just pluck them. Yes! That is exactly what I wanted. Okay. So anyway, let's back up here for a second. I think that's what I need. That's a thing of beauty. Okay, cool. Now, we're going to take this apart. Do I have more? I think I have more inventory on me than I want. Right. I have to clear that out so I can take something apart and be able to put it back together again. There we go. Now, okay. Guess I'm gonna have to do this in hover mode. Okay. Now what I want is, let's see. What, 3 sides, 1, 2, 3, and have the small one facing outwards, I think. Okay. There we go. Do the same with that. Although it might be okay. I can't quite see there if it's the big opening or not. I think it might be. If that's true, then we got big openings coming all the way over here. Small opening facing that way. I think we're good. Alright, let me adjust myself here. Okay. Now let's test this out. Large containers. Alright, let's put this in all of them. We got 7, 5, 4. Do we have 2 4s? Why do we have 2 4s? I'm a little perplexed. Large container 4. Large container 4. Maybe I should name them. Well, anyway, let's try. Pop in the inventory between the different ones. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's 3 of them. That's good. Connector for crane to lift. No, it can't contain that, I don't think. Yeah, it can't contain that. Bummer. Let's see, can I pick that up and... Okay, well it transfers between all of them. Which is really weird that there's 2 container 4s. I don't happen to like that. Let's fix that.
Energy low.
Oh, you just deal with it, bud. Box. Container, okay. Yeah, see, it even shows it here. Okay. We're going to change your name, large container 4, to say Rover. Cargo container. And we'll make it by letter. There we go. Just to be different. so I don't have to type it twice. And yeah, I was thinking there'd be, you know, left front, right front, that kind of thing. I don't think I'll bother with that. We'll just generically name them because they explosively get destroyed anyway. It kind of upsets me, but it is what it is. Okay, let's see how it looks here. You'd think it'd be, I don't know, organized. So there's D, there's C, there's B, there's A. I think we're good. Alright, so now I need to take that apart and start loading up the thingy. The assembler, no, it has to go into the refinery. And it figures out where it goes, so I don't have to do that. It is a beautiful thing. Okay, that's container B. I'd like to label it somehow, but okay, let's throw it into B. To carefully get my finger to work properly here. There we go. Alright, so then we just I think I just, sorry, I had to remember the keystrokes here. Now, if I had this all engineered properly, I wouldn't have to do it this way. I just plug it in and go. I think we're going to get close there. Let me go here. See if I can pull out. No. It's connected. At least I think it is. I mean, hip joint's connected to the leg joint and so on, but yeah, that whole conveyor system I got sitting right there, it sees it, but it won't go through. Yeah. Let's see if it makes a difference where it connects to. Nope. So either, well, let's try an experiment here. What if I wanted to throw, say,
energy critical.
Throw a tool into there. Okay, let me go fix this energy problem. Starting to get daytime. Wow, this takes a long time to charge. And I don't have it connected up to gas, so really kind of today's theme is kind of connect this stuff. Now I know if I connect to here, all of a sudden I got it. Is there a way to connect the chair to that? Huh. There probably is, I just don't know what it is. Okay. Is there a connector up here? No. And I think I've asked that question before. No, it's just connector to there. And I don't think the chair has its own connector. I can check that. I know the cockpits do. Yeah, see, the back of the chair doesn't have a connector. The sides don't either. The bottom doesn't. So, alright. Okay, so, question is still, can I put it in a cockpit? No. So it's not even connecting to the cockpit. Now I know it's got a big old connector on back. I wonder if that's why I can't do it. If I go in the cockpit and I look at the inventory, I can of course do that, right? Yeah. I'm just wondering. Oh, okay. So that is working. From rover to cargo containers. Or I mean from the cockpit to the cargo containers. Alright, so we're good to the cockpit. What is keeping it from working down here? Alright, let's take that. Let's grind that off. Let's see. Okay, it's got the big opening and two little openings, and two little openings do not connect, apparently. Why would you even do that, man? Okay. Okay, well, let's hold off on that then for a moment. I could put a connector on the bottom, but that would be... then I'd have to have some piston or something push up into it. I kind of think that this solution that I've got up here, okay, I'm not thrilled with how it's constructed, but that actually worked pretty well. If I could make it more generic and flexible, like put a piston that goes out to meet whatever it is. Okay, I'm thinking. Storing that in my box of ideas. I didn't make that as uniform as I'd hoped, but then I blame the game's interface on that one. Okay, so let's keep pulling out stone. Let's empty this thing. There we go. Starts it right up. That should be my last load, eh? No, just a little bit more. Okay. Last little bit of stone there. Now it's an empty rover. I'm thinking. If there's absolutely no connection to that to transfer inventory. If I really want to connect that, all I have to do is run a conveyor to the outside of this. Then we'd be good to go. I have to change the position of this. Flexibility is not the nature of this game, is it? Okay. I kind of want more materials again, but I need to find platinum, uranium, maybe magnesium. Yeah, magnesium. I know there's some magnesium up there. I've come across magnesium. Don't remember if I've come across platinum. I don't think I have. Certainly a lot of places to search. Identified signal is still there. I really just itching to go see that thing. But I need a fast flyer. Really need a fast flyer. I don't want to change out the pod. The pod's too cute. Built by people with a better sense of engineering than I have. I need... I was gonna say, oh, hey. There's an unknown signal. Raw materials. Oh, let's just go have a little fun. I mean, what am I playing a game for if not to have a little fun? Let's see here. Oh, that's a bit farther out than I thought it would be. Okay. Okay. Let's just come right on down and calmly wait for it. Let's see what we got this time. Oh, it's one of those crazy Ivans. Alright. Ah, so once you hit that button, then it calms down. Okay, we've learned something today. Oh, more replacement tools. Good. I lost some of my tools in my last body, but I had some spares. So that worked out pretty well. What's on the top of that? Is that another button or just... No, okay. Let's see here. So it's the same deal if I hit either button. Gives me 3 times the opportunity. 4 times maybe. This is kind of funny. Yeah. Alright, that's far enough. You stop here, bud. It's got its own gyroscope. Oh, that's what causes all that turmoil. I'm trying to do this as sensibly as possible for all the triangle bits. Wow. Ooh, looks like we lost a bit. Okay. If it's too far away, yeah. Two gyroscopes in there. For such a small thing. That's weird. Yeah, you gotta step away from this in order to make it work. Alright. Let's see what all we got. Okay, we got money, of course, and then we got pieces and parts. Good. Oh, we got a bunch of those computer comps. Good. Good, 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 good. Excellent, as Mr. Burns would say. Okay. That watchtower. I'm tempted to just go grind the living daylights out of that thing. Okay. Let's go up really high, just for fun. Whee! Oh. Looks like the Rift Valley in Africa. That's cool. Huh. Okay. Somehow I get turned upside down. Alright. Down we go. I'll bet there's uranium in the minerals. Kind of thinking... There we go. Kind of thinking I'll expand out this way and build my new ship. Those are going to be a bit of a pain. I don't need that gravel. Oh, I want power too, to charge whatever batteries I build. Oh, that's something else I just remembered. Let's set this up. Huh, I'm not able to access that. Why not? The conveyor does not work the same way as this thing does. Okay. Lesson learned. Don't need computer at the moment. Don't need that. Don't need that. Interior plate. Yeah. Got all the basics. Back to basics. Let's fill up that container in case I see another opportunity. Let's take a good look at what I can build. You can assemble these things? AI basic. Air vent. Console module buttons. I'm tempted. Oh, camera thing. Sorely tempted to put that on the flyers. One of the flyers. Passenger seat offset. A buggy cockpit. But that looks interesting. Maybe that could replace my chair. Huh. A saddle cockpit. Don't entirely know what that is, but it's interesting. A bunk. I could lay down on the job. Okay. That's cool. All of that is very cool. Large block, small block. I sort of get it. Okay. Guns. You can make guns. I don't want to make guns. I still think I have guns in the cockpit of the pod, I guess. I don't know. Fireworks. See, here's where I can make the more advanced tools. I need... Oh, I've got all of that. Silver ingot. Required available. Let's do that. Let's make one. One of those, and... Oh, that needs platinum for that. Proficient hand drill. Let's do it. Can I make a complete set of tools? Let's see what happens. But for the level above that, I need platinum. This is going to be cool. All of it's connected. We could just grab it and go. Let's see what's in the weapons. An S10 pistol. I couldn't even guess. It doesn't show the specs. If I click on it, it'll just make it, and I don't want it to do that. The symbol here indicates something. I think I'd want a rifle so I could scope it. Scope my targets. A rocket launcher, platinum. Okay, rocket launcher, that's fine, but what about the ammunition for it? Okay. Magnesium powder. Well, yeah, duh. That's not too bad. See, when we get into rockets, we're talking uranium. A trifecta of uranium, platinum, and magnesium. I see. Autocannon magazine. Yeah, so I'm going to have to find some magnesium. Minimum. If I want some of these fancier things, I need uranium. I really don't. Yeah, I don't. I think magnesium will be fine. Let me see here. Well, so now that I've got it, let's put it in my inventory. Let's put this here. There we go. So I've got a bunch of extra spare tools if I need them. That is just really cool. There it is. And just double click. Nice. But what that means is that I need to modify my gadget menu. Okay, tools, character tools. There we go. Grinder. I was hoping to just find one out in the field, but it's not the way it went. Okay. Now I'm proficient. Woohoo! That's purple. That's green. Haha, cool. Alright. Well, that was fun today. I accomplished nothing else. That was cool. Platform. Be nice if I just duplicate this pod and then augment it. Because this pod has almost everything I need. Except for the power to actually get off the ground. I don't know. since I fixed that, should I fix this too? Let's see, what all do I need here? I mean, one thing I really, really need on that thing is battery. I really don't want to modify that. I mean, it's like keeping like an antique around. Okay. Let's see about this. I don't know. How far out should I go? That far? Yeah, I thought I'd run into problems where I was... Okay. Running into all this stuff that I've put out here. Yeah, I need to... Not gonna put it. Okay. Let's clean this up. It's like a super fun site.
Inventory full.
Oops. Well then. Yeah, I figured I might get in a little bit of trouble with this. Is that all sitting right? Yeah, it is. Gotta put my money away. $200K. Just for sitting on a planet and messing around here. Okay, where do I want to put all this stuff? Maybe I'll throw it in here. I mean, I don't know if I'm going to be drilling here eventually, but... Oh, you're going to go all the way downhill? Alright. No, that's not okay. Maybe we'll put it over the hill. Oh, in this trench I keep falling down. Maybe here. Let's see where it goes. Anywhere? Where did it just go? Oh, there it is. Okay. Yeah. Be nice to have something to...
Inventory full.
Okay, that's not too bad. More than one doohickey at once. Yeah. Where's this one? Okay.
Inventory full. Inventory full. Inventory full.
Oh, that must be a full package there. It looks like something you could, you know, gift to your, I don't know, to your best friend. Like they used to do back in the cowboy days. They'd wrap things up in paper and twine, and fancy colored wrap was available, but not everywhere. And probably the people of Kansas would have been thought foolish. Perfectly good paper. I could just hear them now.
Inventory.
Perfectly good paper. Why would you want to go get that colored stuff? Yet another way in which our civilization changed. Well, when you finally get technologically secure, you have your food, you have a place to stay, you can play with things like that. A single guy out on his own planet, it's not a big priority, but I do think of decorating some things. Okay, let's put that in there. Why not? Okay, why? Okay, I'm confused. Oh! I wasn't reading it. I don't have my plate on me anymore. There we go. There we go. Now we can do it. Well, that was silly. The other thing I was thinking of doing is making a large grid. But that is contingent on me finding out whether I can put a big engine to give me more speed on smaller craft. Yeah. Okay. I don't know how far out I'm going to go. I don't think I'm going to go out farther than this. Depends on whether or not I can do the small grid here. Okay, I think this is big enough. And if I wanted to power it, I'd have to build a separate tower, or I don't know. Because you can't power through the little feetsy things, the landing gear. Okay. Let's just throw down a boot. Give it a try here. I'd like to build a large grid ship, but I don't think I'm quite there yet. Okay, let's build it out over the edge. Just to be ridiculous about it. I'm gonna need it to be sort of inward. I want it to have plenty of space here. Okay, yeah, it likes to fool me. Construction comp, yeah, and all that kind of good stuff. Okay, let's go grab it. Every adventure begins with the first step. Do that. I'm going to need a lot more plate. Let's have this producing just tons of plate. Maybe not 1,000. No. Let's start with just a couple hundred. And I'm going to try my new technique with laying out grid here. Let's see here. That's the wrong one. Okay. Okay, that's done. And that was more done than I'd prefer. Okay, that's not... Well, I think it's facing right. I think the ankle thing, that little round thing, is the back of the foot. I think. I don't honestly know. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to try the control right click. No, okay. That's apparently not it. Maybe you got to build the basics. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I'm going to go out maybe 3 in front to accommodate a cockpit. So cockpit, storage thingy, then battery bank, and maybe, well, I've got to accommodate I think that's pretty good. Okay, now let me try the control shift thing. Okay, that didn't work. Let's try middle mount. No, that's not it. Oh, yeah. I'm going to build out this platform and I'm going to color it a different color. This is going to be my runabout. Like Star Trek. Okay, I can't seem to lay down multiple bricks at once. Let's try shifting then. Nope. Alright. I'd kind of like to put another bit of landing gear on. Oh, come on, it would be so cool to like have the ability to okay. Okay. Now everywhere I'm building, I'm going to need I'm thinking. Okay, maybe I should start with a conveyor set right at the start. Let's get some of these nailed in first. Oh wow, look at how fast this goes. Nice. Very nice. So I can imagine the third level of this welder would be just smoking. Alright. I need to see the cockpit. Let's see here. 5. Alright. Okay, it's got a box in the bottom, but we know that small and large don't talk to each other. So almost thinking I should have that raised so that I can put a connector underneath it. I don't know. Okay, so if I put small connectors out on the edge, then run them through the center. Yeah, let's see what options I got. Okay. No, I do not want that. Can't see what it says. Gravity in. Okay. Ah, I guessed the right key this time. Okay, now I think that's 3 blocks wide, which means I need to get this. Nope, not that one. We'll just do it that way. Okay. For now. There we go. And we're golden, I think. Did I get that right? Yes. Okay. So then I'm going to want storage. Just because I may find something out there that's worth holding on to. Large? I'm thinking not, actually. There's a medium option. Okay, yeah. Alright, so let's rotate that a bit. That's not the way I wanted it rotated, but yeah. Let's see, is that 3 wide? I want there to be a space, because I need to put the conveyor system in there. I need interior plate. Hurry! Can't see what I'm doing. Okay, interior plate. That should cover it. Going to be needing to make batteries next. Okay, so there. Alright. Where did it just land? Okay, gyroscope. Because I always forget to put that on. And I want it to rotate. Well, yeah, that would be fun to put it there, but come on. I want it in the center. Okay. Rotate it. There you go. That's what I want. That in the center. And then I want a beacon with an antenna. So I think I'll put it here. For, I don't remember where I put, oh, there it is, beacon. Okay. Rotate. Back off here. Right, and then a little antenna thingy on top, maybe? Rotate. There we go. There, that looks cool. Okay, now before I bury it, I guess I better actually assemble some of this. So steel plate. So we need large steel tube. Large steel tube? Small steel tube I could see. But large? Alright, fine. Fine. That's how it is. There we go. There. That's the only running thing that we got on it. Okay, so I want to build this up. We're going to need bulletproof glass. I'm thinking, okay. Let's get into production here. Because I know I don't have it. Excuse me. Motors. You always need motors for these things. And then I need a lot of batteries. So, did I do that right? No, I didn't. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Everything except bulletproof glass. Okay. I need 20 of those. Okay. Where do we have that? Bulletproof glass. Oh, right. Oh, there it is. 20 of those. I'm gonna need just absolute. Okay. Right. Gyroscope, cockpit. Once we get battery power on that, it's gonna be pretty cool. And then I'll just have a whole string of up thrusters, I guess. I don't know. Okay, so pull that. After I built all this other sophisticated stuff, this isn't too bad. Okay, now the antenna. I really like how I laid out the need small steel tube? What? Did we forget to make something? Okay. Oh, I'm sure I'll need that for something else, so. Here we are. Isn't that nice? The batteries are going to be the next thing, I think. So you've got a way to communicate to home. Survival kit. I kind of think I need a survival kit on here. Do we have grid? Yes, we have grid. Alright. Jolly good, ready to go. Is that the only place where I got plate? No. Oh, wow. This is always pretty hard. I wanted to store it all in this box, but it doesn't always do that. Okay, let's see here. Do you need plate? Got a lot of those. Yeah, I'm not worried about that. Okay, let's just kind of deck it out here and see where we're going with this. Huh. Yeah, let's finish those first. Yeah, I've got enough to play with it. Alright.
Energy low.
Nonsense. You've got all your good energy. Okay. I always forget where I put those. Alright. Conveyor junction, no. As it happens, I don't. Okay, medium cargo container. I think that's what I was messing with. And I think I need to do this while floating. I can see what I'm doing. There we go. Now, let's go back to those little conveyor thingies. Small, small. I want small. Conveyor tubes. Maybe this is not. No, I've got to see where the tube goes before I do that. So okay. Come up here. Grab that. Interior plate. Well, why didn't you grab the interior plate? Was there none to be had? Because I know some of those other things we have in abundance there. Yeah, there's interior plate. I'll put the motor back, I guess, because that takes up quite a bit of weight. Put that there. Guess I don't need any more of that for the moment. Yeah, keep that in. Let's throw the interior plate on there. What else did it need? It needed computer. I don't know what else it needed. Probably a display. If it needed computer, then it needed display. Yeah, I don't know. Hope this doesn't end up like the spruce goose. Let's see. Where it got one maiden flight out of it. Okay, production. That should be enough. Alright, let's see here. There we are. Okay, so almost everything is fleshed out here. We need to put the conveyors. It looks like... Oh, wait a minute. It does not look like I'm going to be able to get that to match up. So what was the thinking here? That matching up with that?
Energy critical.
Dude. Eat some Wheaties. Okay, let's sit here and think about this for a minute. So I need... I was going to do conveyor tube, but it may not be... It may not be something I can do here. That goes to the middle. Now I was thinking I was gonna like do a jig-jag to the center. I don't know that I'm gonna be able to do that. Okay, let's grab some tube. I'm thinking 4 here. Let's see. Rotate it a little bit. Yes, down there. Okay. Then I'm thinking this. So jig-jag out here, down there. Oh, that was... I didn't mean to do that, but okay. What's done is done. Oh, look, it does match. Well, okay then. And I did allow enough space. Okay. Let's see, what do I need? Construction comp and motors. Construction comp and motors. Did I use up my construction comp? I did. I did not use up my motors though. Good. Yeah, I'm just checking there. Alright. Give me 10 of those. That is so cool. And there it is. I'll just take that for completeness. Just in case I decide to use any other interior plate. Okay. There it is. It is a connected thing. Alright, now let's come over here and sit down for a minute. I think we're ready for batteries and then thrusters. And that is a lot faster. It's cool being able to weld by my feet. Okay. Batteries. Lots of batteries. Oh. Survival kit. Okay, let's take a look at that for a minute. Where do I have the survival kit? Is that it? No. Maybe I never got around to putting that out. Let's see. One. Industrial assembler. Yeah, put an industrial assembler on the back of this. Woohoo! Yeah. Put a bench on there. Does this have little connectors on it? No. Alright. Well, I had to see. Okay. Okay. Let's look into survival kits. Survival kit. Embrasure? Okay, I do not know what that is. Is this another type of survival kit? Let's take a look at it. Looks like it's a cowling of some kind. Where it protects something, right? Let's rotate it a little bit. Yeah, it protects something, but I'm not really sure why. Yeah, I don't think it protects the survival kit. Provides cover while allowing you to keep the pressure on your enemies. Oh, so it's something you shoot through. Okay, embrasure. Embrasure, probably in French or some goofy thing. Learned something today. If I'm not careful, I might learn a lot of things. Survival kit. Okay, now this. Oh, now that's interesting. It looks like that sometimes. Huh. Now it's got 2 input ports in the back. Probably for gas. For gas. I don't know what all I could put in here. Okay, well, let's try. Let's try rotating it a bit. I want to be able to access. Yeah, I don't know if that's going to work. I don't know that that's going to connect. If I have it off by a set of degrees, am I connecting directly to it this way? I'm very curious. What I think should work and what this game thinks should work, 2 totally different things. It looks like it could. Let me see here. Huh. Well, let's play with it a bit. See, I can put that there, and I can put the batteries maybe askew. Huh. I'm thinking maybe that. Well, let's build it up and see. Can always move it. Medical comp, right. That's a unique thing about this one. So you gotta have medical comp. Medical components. Alright. Did you pull it out? You didn't. Okay. I had a whole bunch of medical comp for a while. How many does it need? It just needs like 4, right? Oh. Excuse me. Alright. Ah, right there. I just made that. Alright. Oh, there we go. Oh, I'm full, aren't I? Alright. Let's go down here and I want to see. Alright. Now this is something I can't build twice. I just remembered that. When you build it, you lose your medical comp and all the other things that go with it. So maybe I should be a little more certain about where I want to put this.
Inventory full. Inventory full.
Well now. Well, let's store stuff in here. Because ultimately I'm going to be repairing this, I am sure. Okay. Steel plate. So I think I got steel plate, right? Yes. Alright. Where did I put that? I know I've got it in 2 places. 6, right? Yes. Okay. I want one of those ports to match up with it. It's on the very edge. And I want it to face out so I can access it. There's no way to tell. There's no way to tell if it matches up with it. Okay, let's see here. Well, it's going to be a lesson learned, obviously. Okay, F. I don't know. Just do it. It looks like it connects. It looks like we got that right. Okay. So I should be able to go in through here, medium cargo container, and put that in my inventory. Is that because it's not powered? Could be. Alright, so let's talk battery. Battery. There we go. Now I think I kind of want the big batteries. Let's do a comparison. Let's do a little comparison shopping. Okay, this battery stores 3 megawatts. Opposed to the other batteries. Oh, which one shall I look at? I know there's other batteries here. Worker B battery. Worker B battery. 1 megawatt. Versus this battery here. Four megawatts. I don't know. I'm inclined to go.
Energy low. Energy critical.